To start, we want to begin with a blank screen of the Mastercam version we're working on. To do that, we can go to File, New, or simply select New from the top left. What we want to verify is that there is no machine group loaded in the Toolpaths Manager. If there is a machine group loaded, you may have to go into your configuration to turn off the automatic default machine setting. From there, we'll select the Machine tab and select Machine Definition. You can see we have different icons to represent different machine types if we're going to create a new one. However, in this case, we want to modify an existing. So I'll select Open. And you want to verify that you're going to the data path that is set for your machine definitions. In my case, it is the basic or standard location in the shared folder on my C drive. I'll go ahead and use the mil default for this example. Notice there is an mm designation for metric. I'll be modifying the inch version, so I'll select the mil default with no mm extension. We can go through and modify the settings that we're after. In this case, we can go ahead and modify some rotary settings. So I'll go to the general machine parameters. And from here, we have our standard feeds and speeds, and we have our inverse feeds and speeds. We also have our axis feed rate limits. And we could go ahead and use it as an example, say 10,000. Green check, and we want to save after each change. From there, I'll go ahead and expand my machine base, our machine components that can be modified accordingly. For example, we could change the direction of the rotary rotation clockwise or counterclockwise. If we want to change our standard rotary settings, we'll go to our control definition. And on the left-hand side in the question marks, we want to go ahead and select our feed options underneath rotary. From there, we can go ahead and adjust to use inverse according to our desired output. In here, I need to select save first, and that saves the control definition to the machine definition. Green check. Now I need to select save again, therefore saving any changes to the machine definition, and I can click OK. Now upon loading that machine, mil default, if I go to the Machine tab, Machine Definition, and verify the settings I changed, you can see it's held 10,000. Go into my control, and you can see that it has held use inverse for these options. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please give us a call at 530-268-8508 or send us an email to support@sierracadcam.com. Thank you.